How to use Zurich car insurance Switzerland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Zurich car insurance is widely trusted in Switzerland, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that having a policy alone isn't enough. You need to use it correctly. One of the biggest mistakes is relying only on liability coverage. While it meets legal requirements, it won't cover damages to your own car. Comprehensive coverage is key to protecting both your vehicle and finances after an accident. Misunderstanding deductibles is another frequent error. A lower deductible reduces out-of-pocket costs but increases premiums, while a higher deductible saves money upfront but may leave you paying more if a claim occurs. Choose a deductible that fits your budget and risk tolerance. Failing to update your policy is also a common trap. Life changes like moving, adding a new driver, or purchasing a new car can affect coverage. Ignoring these changes could result in gaps or deny claims. Many drivers overlook discounts. Zurich offers savings for safe driving, accident-free records, and bundle policies. Missing these opportunities can cost hundreds each year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow things down. Document damages, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative to ensure smooth handling. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize Zurich car insurance Switzerland. Ensure proper coverage, choose the right deductible, update your policy regularly, use available discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and keeps you fully protected on every drive.